Hi, Matthias here from Windsor. And today I'll show you how to get TikTok organic data into Google Sheets. Before you start, please make sure that you have access to a TikTok organic account and to Google Sheets. Let's get started. Head to onboard.windsor.ai and in here, in the search bar, type TikTok. Then click on TikTok Organic, grant TikTok Organic access. Once this is successful, you get your account appearing here in the drop-down below. Select the account, click on Preview and Destination. And now in here, on the right-hand side, you can specify TikTok Organic, and then some data should show in the preview. Now, as a next step, we head into Google Sheets. Click on Google Sheets, and then the first time you do that, you will need to install this add-on here. Once it's installed, head to Google Sheets. And now in Extensions, Windsor.ai, click on Login. Then you'll be prompted for your API key, which you can find here. Simply click Copy and paste it over. Then Google Sheets reloads. And then when you head back into Extensions, this menu, Get Data into Sheet, will appear. Now we create a new query, specify the target sheet, and then we have to specify the data source again, which is TikTok Organic. And now we can specify the accounts. In case you do not select an account, all the accounts will be pulled. And then we select the fields. So here I want to keep a set of super simple fields, date, and total video views count. So I'll remove this, and then I have total video views count. Of course, you can select your own fields. Now we could also specify filters. I'm going to skip that one for now and select data options, which I'm also going to skip. But what I would like to do is I would like to get the data refreshed every hour. So I click on hourly refresh. Then I click on load data. And now the last 7 days of data with these two fields is synced on an hourly basis into Google Sheets from TikTok Organic. If you want to get started a little bit quicker, you can also check out our template gallery to get started with a template right away, so you don't have to start from scratch. Thanks very much for watching and enjoy working with our connectors.